Welcome back, everyone. Today, let us learn Thoŋjäŋ or Dinka vocabularies. Thoŋjäŋ, this one. Thoŋjäŋ or Dinka vocabularies. Number one, pew, pew, pew mean water, water. Number two, pew ideng nyal, pew ideng nyal. Pew ideng nyal mean rainwater, rainwater. Let me write it here. Rainwater, rainwater. So pew deng nyal, rainwater. Number three, cha, cha. Cha mean milk, cha, milk. Four, cha wing, cha wing. That mean cow milk, cow milk. Cha wing mean cow milk. Number six, milk, milk. Milk mean oil, oil, milk, oil. Number seven, milk inyom, milk inyom. Milk inyom mean simsim oil, simsim oil. Milk inyom mean simsim oil. Number nine, kada, kada, kada. Kada mean soup or stew, soup or stew, soup. We call it kada. Number 10, queen, queen. Queen mean food, food, food. Food mean queen. Number 11, mau, mau. Mau mean wine, any type of wine. Then we divided them into monir. Monir mean white wine, white wine, monir. Number 13, monkage. Monkage mean bitter wine, bitter wine mean or alcohol. It's called monkage, bitter wine or alcohol. Number 14, atara, atara. Atara mean vinegar, vinegar. Atara dia waj na choko jal tal monir ka jal dim atara jal dong. Or no, or at the third coach, monkage. That coach we call it ark. So we get it atara. Number 15, abor, abor mean plot, plot. Number 16, war mean river, river. Number 17, ocean, ocean mean war did adek diet, war did adek diet mean ocean. It is called war did mean biggest river, biggest water body, or biggest river. Adegdiet mean no bird can cross it. So it is called adegdiet because when the bird fly to cross the ocean, the bird cannot cross the ocean. So the bird will die in the middle of the ocean. That is why it is called adegdiet. Adek mean you did not finish where you are going. You go and stop in the middle. So it's called adek diet. Diet mean bird. What did adek diet? It mean ocean. Number 18, luet. Luet. Luet means saliva. We know saliva. Luet. Ator. Ator. Ator mean mucus. Mucus. Number 20, pew. Nyin. Pew nyin mean tears of the eyes. Tear of the eyes. So when you cry, it's called pew nyin. William. So this is how you write William in Dinka language. Ran Pioj itong Yang. William Majak. Subscribe. Subscribe please and thanks. Dor nearly kegwek. This is the end of our video. I will be bringing more videos videos every Friday. So I'm back to study, so I don't have time from Monday to Friday. So I only have time on weekend. That's why I do the video on Friday evening. So then if I have time, I upload it in the YouTube. So be ready, guys. Every weekend I will upload videos. Okay. Enjoy this video, subscribe, and be part of Dinka Learning family. Okay, bye. See you next time. William Majak.